Hello friends, welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me here today. In today's video, I am so excited because we have new furniture. Beautiful new credenza. I'm going to definitely bring you a bit closer, but for now, oh my goodness, I am loving this. So I think it was a couple videos back, I did went to this really beautiful furniture store here in Florida, and I saw this gorgeous credenza there. It wasn't this color in particular. They did have the kind of a blue / teal color on display, but I also noticed on the website they do have this kind of a dark chocolate color, which I just love so much. It is gorgeous. It is absolutely beautiful, and can I just say it is so huge. Oh my goodness. It was the perfect size for this back wall here. So it does come in 3 different colors. Beautiful chocolate brown. It also comes in this teal color, which I was so close to getting, but I just feel like after time I would kind of get tired of that teal / blue color. I feel like if I did have like a beach house, it would have been perfect, but for this area, this space right here, this was definitely the perfect choice for me. And it also does come in white, but I feel like because this back wall here is white, and if I should or did get the white credenza, I feel like it would just get lost in the background. So this was absolutely the perfect choice for me. I love the fact that even though it is so huge, I still have space for my 2 planters, and most importantly, come Christmas time, I do have space for my 2 Christmas trees. So it's absolutely perfect. I love it so much. So let me bring you a little bit closer so I can show you what it looks like up close, but it's just absolutely perfect. I love it so much. So friends, I'm just going to take it a little bit closer so you can see what this gorgeous credenza is looking like. So it does have a ton of storage, which I just love. That is perfect. So this is what it's looking like up close. Perfect size for this back wall right here. I feel like the other one that was there, it was way too small for this space. So I'm very pleased with this one. And I also love the fact that the handles really goes well with the mirror. This beautiful mirror is from Anthropology. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Cannot wait to go ahead and style it up. So it does come with a lot of storage. So as for styling this up, I definitely can't imagine having 2 huge statement lamps on the side right here, and maybe a beautiful bouquet or some other decorative items in the items in the middle. I mean, there are so many ways that I can style this up. I also have some beautiful plates that I can put on display in here. I mean, I just love the storage that this provides. I absolutely love it. That was definitely a selling point for me, is the storage. I just love this piece so much, and I love all the details that's on here. And the handles, again, they're a perfect match with the hardware on the mirror. So that was also another selling point for me. In the next video, styling this up together, but as for now, I'm just so happy with the look of this credenza. Again, I just love the size. It is it is so large, and I just love that so much. I love how it fills in this space right here, and the chocolate brown is the perfect match. I was a little bit worried about that, to be honest, that this chocolate brown and the one on the table, it will be different, but it's the perfect match to the dining table. I just love that. Like I said, I was so close to getting the kind of a teal blue color. I feel like after a time, I would definitely get a little bit bored of that color. And this is just a very timeless piece, a very timeless color that I know that I'm going to have for years to come. And remove the wrappings. Let me just put these over here real quick. Again, the drawers are absolutely generously sized. I just love that. And here we have more wrappings. But I have so much space to store, whether it's Christmas ribbons or napkins, even though I don't need to purchase any more dinner napkins. Because I have a ton, but I have so much space, and I love this velvety material that they do have in here. It's absolutely perfect. Love, love, love that. Beautiful piece. And then down here I have some beautiful plates, some storage items that I do want to store in here. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely deep. I love that. And in here also, oh my gosh, a lot of storage. It is this is amazing. And it does have a plug in here. The only thing I don't like is the fact that it doesn't have any lighting. Like, it doesn't come with lighting already fixed in there. It does have plugs in there, which is really good. But I think I'm going to get some of those really inexpensive lighting, or little, you know, those little battery operated lights, and kind of stick it on the top in here. Like on the roof in the drawer, I'm going to stick it in there so it'll have some lighting. So, but besides that, everything is perfect. Absolutely love it. I cannot wait to style up this dining room with you. I'm going to style it for summer. I also have these beautiful plates right here that I'm going to use. These are absolutely gorgeous. This green color is just so beautiful. So this is going to be my dinnerware that I'm going to use on my table. These are just absolutely gorgeous. And I did found them in these little cute, oh my gosh, how cute are these? So I also found them in this little tiny cute size, which I just love so much. So these are going to be my plates that I use to style up this dining room area. I also need to go to Home Goods because I need to find some really statement lamps to go on each end right here. Hopefully I'll be able to find what I want there, but that's the plan. I need to go to Home Goods, and I need to find like some other little decorative items that I can put in the center right here. But I am just so happy with this purchase. It's one of my favorite purchases of this year. And like I've said, I cannot wait to start styling up this area. So in the upcoming video, we're going to be styling up this beautiful credenza together, and also the dining room. But for now, we're going to go outside in the garden because things are looking quite lovely this time of the year, if I may say so myself. So I just want to give you a quick little tour of the garden and show you what's growing, what's coming back to life, and all that jazz. So let's go outside into the garden. So, friends, welcome to the garden. It is such a beautiful day out today. It actually feels like a summertime here in Florida. It is very much hot today, but I thought it would be the perfect time to get out in the garden and give you a little tour. So, just a little info on the garden. It is 11 years old, so I've lived here for 11 years, and every single plant in this garden I've planted with my own hands. So, let's do a little tour together.
So one thing that I want to do to this little middle area right there between the two windows, I do want to add a trellis there. So I'm on the hunt for a trellis to put in the middle there so I can have like a vining flower or plant of some sort. You know, roses would look nice too, growing on the trellis right there. So we'll see. I'm on the hunt for a trellis, and we'll see what happens. But that's the plan that I want to do to that little area right there.
So, friends, it is the very first mango of the season. I literally cannot believe I'm getting mangoes a mango in May. I literally cannot believe it. This is a Julie mango. This is a Jamaican mango. As a Jamaican, I had to have a Jamaican mango tree in my garden. I absolutely love mangoes. It's my favorite. It smells so delicious. If you're from Jamaica, you know what I mean when I said this mango is just so delicious. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. It's a good thing I was filming today because I wouldn't have seen this mango in the back over there. Absolutely love this. I cannot wait to go and put my feet up and enjoy this mango. It's just a good day. It's literally the best day ever. So I'm going to enjoy this mango right now. I'm going to wash it up and just take the biggest bite into it right now. And I cannot wait for the rest of them to be ready. But it is so nice. It is so nice that mangoes are starting to ripen up. I just love that. I just love it. It's just such a happy time. Oh my gosh.